Good morning. It is Friday, May 6th, and it is my birthday. So Noah is holding the camera. He is my grandson, and they brought me a present. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Is this from Papa or from you?
From Grandpa. Hi, everybody.
Did somebody help you wrap?
I did it all myself. Did you see the bag? The bag is part of the present.
Have a magical day. You see that? We're at Disney. Have a magical day.
That's right.
Here you go. You got a couple more?
Just one.
Just one more?
Oh, you are so sweet. I saw this at Crackle Barrel.
Ooh.
I don't know, 2 weeks ago? Maybe 3 weeks ago?
A long time ago, actually.
It was a while ago. Anyway, it's so cute. And here in Florida, it has the short sleeves, and so I can wear it for church for, especially the summer, all year round, but during the summer you can wear it. Got a close-up of it now? Isn't that cute? Is this the cutest? Thank you. You are so thoughtful.
Well, bye, everybody.
We are on the golf cart, and Noah is following on his hoverboard.
Hello.
Right, Noah?
Yeah, hello.
Are you holding on? That's funny, he was holding on. Are you holding on?
There's a hoverboard behind you, too.
All right, we're gonna go visit, do some looping around the fort.
All right, let go. You let go, Noah? All right.
Okay, there he is. Let's see if he can keep up. Oh, hey!
I have a hoverboard too.
You're awesome!
And I'm already riding it.
He's on the hoverboard.
It's flying. Oh.
Oh. Wow. We're here at T-Rex to check in. Our reservations are at 12:30. Noah's gonna get fed to T-Rex. Whoa! All right, Tyrannosaurus. Possibly the smallest, fastest, and most powerful of the dinosaurs. Woolly mammoth. There we go. Coral Reef Aquarium. Jellyfish. We are here at the T-Rex Cafe, and we are going to have a meteor shower. So I have the Boneyard Buffet. Noah got the corn dog and french fries. Bobby got chicken sandwich. Happy birthday, Bobby.
Double patty burger.
Yummy burgers.
And I got the Tuscan chicken. The Tuscan chicken.
No, what did you find?
Found this.
And then Jago Lego set. Why'd you get that?
Because I thought it looked cool because last time I got something like this, my dragon broke, so I decided to get a dragon.
Awesome.
Step in it.
Build your own minifigure, that one?
Yeah. What is build your own bucket?
On the wall, it has all the different colors of the Legos. And you actually, they give you a container and you fill it up.
And you don't have to pay for it?
You pay for it. Hi. All right, how fast can you build this? You got 2 minutes. I
the
love his
hockey-
red curly hair.
That's pretty cool.
That was cool. That was a good one. Good job. Oh, here, let's go to World of Disney.
Let's try to find something for mom. Okay? Not Noah, mom.
Yep. Cute wallets, mini wallet, jacket, backpacks.
I know what she likes.
What? Show me. You see something? You see something. All right, what do you see? Oh, I think she'd like something like that, don't you?
Yeah.
Look how pretty that is.
Yeah. Yeah, we should get that for mommy. And maybe we should get something else for her.
Let's see how much this is. $40.
I guess just that.
Okay, so we'll take this around
You
and
like that one or the white one?
Maybe that one.
you like this one. Okay. So we'll hold it and we'll look around to see if there's any other possibilities. Oh, look at that one. Happiest mom on earth. You see that one?
Yeah, let's get that one for her.
Let's go see it. I love that. Those are way too big, Noah. I'm still liking this one because that one doesn't come in her size.
Oh, okay.
Cute mini towel.
That's a nice towel.
Cute.
How old, you know what I mean? Is she done with that?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Oh, jewelry. Mama likes jewelry. Oh, you like the bag?
Yeah.
Let's see how much. It's beautiful. It's $110.
What?
No, look. Yeah.
That actually would be cute. This would be cute for McKenna too.
Her McKenna match.
Maybe we should get that for her. It is. I don't know.
It's $21.
21.
What do you think about getting it for Mother's Day from you and Kenna?
Yeah. That'd be nice for her.
Now, do you like the glittery one or do you like the plain one?
Yeah.
I think the glitters. I think that would look so pretty on your mom, right?
Yeah.
Yep. We are leaving downtown Disney
Yeah, so
with all our...
I've had a couple of churches say they want to try to do something like that.
There we
So
go.
we're going to have something like that.
We're going to go back and play and hit the pool.
Hello, guys.
Noah's super happy. He has his Lego box. He's ready to go build some Legos, but we're going to go swimming. There's lots of things to do today when we get back. He brought his hoverboard again. And his, what is that thing, a scooter?
The racer.
Racer, scooter, what is that thing called? No, the other thing. That is a scooter, okay, yes. Noah's going over to the water slide. He'll be coming out any second. There he is. Good job. There he goes again. He's down backwards. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna do the 4-pack, but do you know what you want?
Birthday party.
All right, so we want to do the 4-pack. Have a vanilla base, and then do you get filling? No, you don't do filling for that one. What is it?
Filling you would like. So
How about the cream?
cream's
Bavarian cream? Mm-hmm. And then do I do frosting?
Yeah.
You got the frosting? Cream cheese? Hi. I won't move. Come back. All right, so this is our last day here at the fort, and we are ending our night after a very long day of, so right now we are looping, and it is filled in. So Friday night is like crazy because every site is full in here. A lot of people filled the pool, so the pools were packed. So we ate dinner over at the food truck again. I had this delicious salad. They make this appleberry salad, very good. It has grilled chicken on it. If you're down here, grab it because that's a really good, healthy dinner. It was absolutely delicious. And Noah had the corn dogs, which was, how was it, Noah?
Good.
He liked his corn dogs. He ate them all. He was hungry. He's exhausted. He's played all day. We went to both pools today. He really enjoyed that.
T-Rex.
And with T-Rex, yep, for lunch for my birthday. I've had a wonderful birthday. Thank you so much to everyone who wished me a happy birthday. I'm 52 this year. So, but thank you so much. You guys were so sweet to me. Thank you. And then Kevin, he got for lunch or for dinner tonight, he got the turkey sandwich. He did the kids sandwich, but it's a huge sandwich. It comes with fries and grapes and juice, and it was
Good.
It looked good. It looked really good, and that's actually a good option for you guys. So we're gonna do a little bit of looping. I'll show you a little bit as we go, and then we are gonna pack up some of our campsite tonight. You know, the towels, all the clothes and stuff, and put that away, and probably the chairs back in the bags. And then this is gonna be the end of our awesome trip. All right.
Bye, guys.
Bye. We'll see you soon.
See ya.
That's it.